Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2013 63 Reg Sophistico Grey 520D M Sport Touring. Vehicle's come in a very recent part exchange and has been very well kept. We've added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit. The vehicle comes with some very nice BMW optional extras, including the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. We've also added a set of brand new 20-inch M Performance style alloy wheels and 4 brand new tyres. Down the side of the car, as well as being able to see, it's been kept in a very good condition. You'll see the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Rear windows do also have that sun protection glazing on. The interior consists of a full black Dakota leather, which in the front does have the part electric movement and heated seats for drivers and passengers. We've also got equipped the Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there. For rear passengers, you'll see a very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest, and we've also got the darkened M Sport headlining, of course. Moving around to the rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic brand new wheels. You can see again that everything is very clean and tidy, and this colour really works nice with all of the exterior features that we've added. Moving around to the rear of the car, you get an exceptionally large boot space, of course, on the 5 Series. It is an automatic opening and closing tailgate, and there you can see just how big that boot is. Split folding seats as well, and you can of course split the glass portion open as well to give easier, quicker access. Moving around to the driver's side, again you can see it's a very clean and tidy example, and the real standout feature of those alloys working against the Sophistico Grey very well. Hopping on board, we'll just talk you through a couple of this vehicle's major talking points and features. It's got power folding mirrors. It's also got the extended storage just down here. And we've also got the fantastic professional wide navigation and media screen. Beginning with the service status and service requirements, seeing as we're on that screen there. You'll see it's got 1,600 miles till next service. We are going to be carrying out a service on the vehicle, so that will soon become 16,000 miles till next service. Up at service history, it's got full BMW all the way up till 63,000, and as I've just mentioned, we will be carrying out a service on the car within the next day. Over at the navigation screen there, you can see having that much larger screen really does make a lot of difference. It's got Bluetooth for communication. We've also got DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection, CD and DVD, along with external devices for your USB and AUX inputs. Down here is the dual climate controls along with the switches for these lovely front heated seats. You'll see here it's covered just over 75,000 miles. For its age, it's a relatively low mileage car, and of course hopefully throughout this video you've seen it's been kept really nicely. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you would like to get in touch or find out more about the car, you can of course find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description. Thank you again. Do of course take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.